This is a quick tutorial on how to schedule a tutoring appointment. From the main website, cwi.edu, type in /tutoring. From the tutoring page, click on Connect with a Tutor or Make a Tutoring Appointment. This will take you to a launch page where you will log in with your CWI username and password. From here, you can choose to upload an assignment for review, and this is for writing assignments. Or you can select Meet with a Tutor to make an appointment. You can search by the course that you're taking, or you can search by writing for writing assignment help. You will see CWI tutors who are available in person and online, and Upswing tutors who are available online only. Also, you can toggle here to filter by day, time, and location. When you find a tutor that will work for you, click Schedule. Choose your day and click Select a Time. Clarify the subject you need help with and your start time. It's helpful to upload any assignments that you're working on prior to your appointment. Click Schedule and you will receive an email confirmation of your appointment. I hope this helps.